Wonder
Damn.
what's gonna.
I
I just saw your Frost Stallion run off. I wonder if I instant it, will I have caught aggro and you could have
I
thingied
control
it.
bases.
Is it the same group?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He was waiting for us to react.
Oh, does the buff macro work here?
Yeah.
Fuck, I just manually did everyone.
You like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Acuity, please. Aurelio.
Yeah. Oh.
Lady. Acuity.
Really? OQ?
Yeah. If you have one.
Ah.
Okay. Thanks.
Oh, okay. I didn't know.
No, no worries.
Bayrock. Oh, yeah.
People.
Yeah.
Alright.
I know.
Let me do Zealot quick.
Let's go.
Yeah, fight.
Yeah. Ink.
Okay, let's try and cut some speed. Get the
Okay.
Link and Bard up front.
He's good.
Britain ignoring.
Maging stock.
Can I?
Oh, I missed.
Oh, you're going so far though.
Okay, Britain can be target if he keeps going.
Okay.
New
The
Britain.
Vargas?
New Britain target.
Nice to,
Oh, no.
nice to, amazing to.
Extending a bit. Extending a bit.
Okay. Mez.
Looking to root on the no.
Amazing to. Amazing to. Oh,
Sorry.
amazing in.
Okay, Saracen target. Okay. Extending the Britain towards us. Debuffing to root. Don't target. Don't hit Britain. Okay, he's rooted. You can move, Quam. Sorry. Okay, we kill him then. Okay, looking to root the
Amazing
Templar.
Warden. Amazing
Yeah.
Barghest. Amazing Templar.
Looking to root
I've
the
got
Templar.
Templar on me.
Okay, let's kill the Templar then. Kill the Templar then.
Vargas. Vargas is this. Let's go.
Britain target. Go on.
Mez on Tuba. I will mock if you demez. Okay. I'm mocking in.
Okay, Britain debuffing.
I'm mocking the.
Against the root.
They are ruptic and.
Oh, there. Go. No. He's fully.
Okay, so he's full. Right, rooting the Barghest. Looking to root the Barghest. Rooted.
fuck.
Ignore the Britain. Alright, Britain. Back on Britain.
Britain, one it.
Yeah, nice. Saracen target.
Oh, man.
I'm stunned.
Okay, Britain target. Is cleric target.
Okay, good job. He did.
New target, Britain. Okay,
Oh, I messed up.
Nkonu target. He just purged into a stun. Good target.
Wait.
I got. We get a you need a Barghest clear. I'm looking to root the Barghest.
I will sauce, guys, okay? Can you regroup and I sauce?
Looking to clear on you. I'll clear the pet. Stop moving, Bard.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, fuck, I'm stunned. Saucing.
Nice.
Okay, so extend. We extend. We got people that haven't got it. Britain target. Looking at east. Okay, nice.
Why is this
Barghest target.
still alive? Kill him.
Okay,
We need a con strip on the Barghest. That's
the old
for
match.
next
Okay,
time.
it's over.
Okay. Yeah. Highlander target.
Nice, guys.
Nice, GG. Well done, guys.
I was everything.
A Kappa. If the Barghest is free, if we can try and get strength con and con share on it.
Yeah. I already.
Oh, you already done it. Cool.
That's true.
August and Templar, Mace.
The prime was the Theurgist. He was free at start and
Yeah, but he put a lot of pet on me.
Yeah.
So
yeah, and they will
Shit,
go
shit,
to
shit. Wait.
the healer.
Pet, your pet!
Oh shit, kill this.
No,
Oh, no,
kill.
okay, test.
No, I reckon there's too much like faffing around at the beginning. It's not really worth it. But you can do that. Summon one of those mobs and just hit it. Okay, the minstrel's okay. Okay, frontline. Let's push a little bit. Okay, let's push a bit on the left. Push a bit on the left.
Okay.
I've lost some speed. Okay, follow our tanks in. Ferg's on the right. It's fine. Let's do a bit Highlander. Let's just throw some damage out on the Highlander. Saracen target is close. Saracen sorcerer. Okay. Barghest target. Okay, pulling the Briton towards us a bit. We'll turn on the Briton. The Briton's overextended. Briton debuffing now.
Wait.
Okay, on the
We're at range. We got. They're pushing our support back.
Yeah. Okay, back on the Barghest. Okay, Briton target.
Fuck, I just got mezzed. Hang on.
Oh, fuck, I got
Nah,
pets. I
sorry, mate.
can't,
Erupted.
we have to kill pets
Some range.
guys, right now.
Yeah, start.
where
Come
you're
to
at,
me. I'll
Oh, you are a bit too far.
I'll overextend, yeah.
Yeah,
I
we-
know, but I was snare and stun and
start.
Yeah.
Mez, any demons?
Yeah. I'm damaging you? I can't.
Okay. What were you
It'd
saying?
be
Alright,
cool
this
to,
Briton is overextended. Briton's overextended. Go on now.
yeah, but cool when you back like that.
Okay, Saracen target.
Just cool.
Okay, Barghest target.
I
No, yeah, Saracen.
아까부터
yeah.
데미지?
Amazing.
Briton is target in the tree. If you
Salvo way too far, man.
살바.
Shit.
okay, Simulacrum target.
Amazing. Oh, fucking mess.
Okay,
Unless we can sauce through these guys, we are just gonna keep retreating from the tanks.
yeah.
Do we have sauce or?
No.
Can we get the Barghest down?
A mess.
Stand still.
Oh, fuck.
I'm routing a Templar on you. Routing the Briton.
Don't drop
Okay.
anything anymore.
Don't drop anything. Routing the Saracen. Okay, we got some control back. On then Konu, if you're fuck.
Yeah.
Like Salva said, just communicate when you
Just
go
say,
back.
just tell us to come back.
We was in full interview with Salva and
Instead of assuming, just yell at us. Just tell us to come the fuck back.
okay, but we can. We have to know what you are doing.
Yeah. I will.
It's just what I say.
Yeah. Please communicate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just have to be like clear,
We have
right?
to
Like if you want something,
communicate.
just fucking say it, right? It's just easier that way.
Trust me. By the way, everything up.
Don't just run behind me. I'm trying to stay at the back. Okay, let's push a bit within. Yeah. Saracen's overextended. Let's see if we can catch.
Was you right?
I will be messed.
Can we
I will
Brisson?
be
I don't know, he put all the pet on me, the Turg.
Demes, please.
Yeah, every time.
Okay.
Okay,
Look here.
Stun?
Saracen, go Saracen. We need some songs aren't running. Brisson. Trying to overextend on the bring the
Smith?
Brisson back a bit.
I'm mocking them.
Fucking they've learnt to kill my fucking pet now.
Okay, I got nice
Brisson
mess.
target.
Got nice messes, guys.
Yep, Brisson target. Overextended. Okay. Saracen target.
Lot of damage on to them. I have to back.
Okay, we're looking. Actually, look directly north. We are. I can't sprint.
Push now. Don't let them get. Ah, they got a res. Damn.
Brisson target. They sauced. Okay. We can come back. Brisson target. Why have I done
Nice
that?
pets, guys.
Warning, 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 warning.
Okay. Barguest target.
It's the no buff now.
Barguest still target. Okay, nice. Templar target.
Yeah, thank you.
Hello.
Thank you.
Best.
Let's read out.
Ignore that.
Amazing
Right.
werewolker.
Good job. Good job, good job. Okay.
I'm slammed.
Briton is disease.
Let's accept they're rooted in the back. Let's extend a bit more. Saracen target.
Okay, good job.
Okay, nice. Brisson target.
Is disease?
Just push straight onto the Ferg. Ferg's target. He fucking resisted that. Okay, clerics are close.
Bard's
Clerics.
needs
Brisson
to
target.
Templar on me.
Yeah,
Hey.
nice.
guys,
Templar
we get
target. Okay, Brisson target.
to. We just keep making some space, Rich.
One
Warning.
cleric down.
Dead.
Brisson target.
Damaging.
Amazing hero. Amazing ancient.
Nice near sight.
Okay, pushing a bit. Saracen target. Saracen target.
Magic, Templar.
Okay, pushing. Inconu target. Pushing. Highlander target.
Over. GG.
Yeah.
Nice.
Good job, guys.
Good job.
GG.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Oh la la.
The repop is hard, guys.
Try and get into the tower.
Oh, dear.
아까부터 좀 이제 자야 되는데 저. 이제 막하면.
Yeah, nice.
Was not a good place to
come back.
but to take
땡큐
a
보그룹 하고 가셔요.
Okay, thank you guys. I go to
Oh.
bed.
You mate.
Yeah, see
I
you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Yeah. I have a good dream today.
바이바이. 주무세요.